Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, like many today, I have actually registered to the new Threads app that is the what Facebook or Meta basically calls the Twitter killer. Of course, I had been using Twitter for a while and wondered if that would, what exactly could be interesting. So, of course, it's the app that I installed on my Android phone. Posted my first new post, and of course, looking around to see what else I can actually follow, who else I can follow, and so on. See how easy it is, and try to get the hang and the feel of it. So this is interesting. So it was launched yesterday, and it's a good start for the Threads app because as of this morning, Thursday morning, 30 million subscribers, 30 million people have actually done an account, including a lot of big names in show business, a lot of companies. Noticed that a lot of newspapers also and news agencies. What's mostly important to check if you're going to find a agency of some sort or any celebrity, to make sure they have the little verified blue check mark to make sure that you are not on some fake post or some fake account that's trying to pass itself for anything. But I don't know. We'll see what this does, and we'll see how it happens. And it's a good start. But moving people away from something that they use all the time, it is always a difficult task. But could that kill Twitter? That's the other story, which is going to be interesting to see. So, anyways, I'm going to use it for the next few hours, a few days. We'll see what happens with it, how I feel, and if I like it. And I think it's going to be interesting to compare also at the same time. The question I would have for you guys: do you think that could be a Twitter killer? What do you think? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.